everyone, this is Crystal at Kendall Toyota of Bend. I'm going to be showing you how to hook up your phone via Bluetooth today. First, we do need to have our vehicle turned on. Secondly, phone in hand. Alright, so from here with our phone, we're going to go into our Bluetooth settings here. Bluetooth. Down at the bottom, it's going to pop up and say Toyota Camry. Here on our screen, we're going to push our phone button. It's going to pop up and ask us if we would like to register a device. We're going to say yes. At this point, it's coming up. It's got my phone down here. It's also going to pop up and say Toyota Camry down here at the bottom. Right there, as you can see, it says Toyota Camry at the bottom of my screen. I'm going to go ahead and click on there. It may take it a little bit, but here we have the same code that pops up here that we have here, 473037. We're going to connect pair. We're also going to say allow. This is allowing all of our text messages and our contacts to be synced with our car right now. There we go. So now we have everything here popped up. Our contacts have been synced. We've got our phone favorites, our phone recents, and all of our contacts. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions on how to connect your Bluetooth, please give me a phone call. I'm always here to help. Have a good day.
Kendall, let's start something great.